Configuring the Semrush dashboard is a straightforward process that allows you to customize the tool to meet your specific needs and goals. To begin, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the dashboard page. The first step is to set up your projects, which are essentially the websites or domains you want to track and analyze. To do this, click on the Projects tab and then click on the Create Project button. Enter the domain name of the website you want to track and select the type of project you want to create, such as an audit project or a competitor analysis project. Next, you will need to set up your keywords, which are the phrases and terms you want to track and analyze. To do this, click on the Keyword tab and then click on the Create Keyword List button. Enter the keywords you want to track and select the type of keyword research you want to conduct, such as phrase match or broad match. Once you have set up your projects and keywords, you can begin to customize your dashboard. To do this, click on the Customize Dashboard button and then select the widgets you want to include on your dashboard. Widgets are essentially small blocks of data that provide insights and information about your projects and keywords. You can choose from a variety of widgets, such as keyword rankings, competitor analysis, and technical audit. Another key feature of the Semrush dashboard is the ability to set up alerts and notifications. To do this, click on the Alerts tab and then select the type of alert you want to set up, such as a keyword ranking alert or a backlink alert. Enter the criteria for the alert, such as a specific keyword or domain, and select the frequency of the alert. Best practices for configuring the Semrush dashboard include setting up multiple projects and keywords to track and analyze different aspects of your online presence. It is also important to regularly review and update your dashboard to ensure that it remains relevant and effective. Additionally, using the Alerts and Notifications feature can help you stay on top of changes and trends in your industry. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure the Semrush dashboard to provide valuable insights and information about your online presence and help you make data-driven decisions to improve your digital marketing strategy.